I've been building a cabin and I've been putting in these LED multi-directional lights, and I'm really liking them. I've been told to put in regular cans and then just put in LED lights, which I guess would be more functional. Once these go out, I'll have to replace the entire canister, but they're super easy to replace. And I don't know, the lifespan on every LED light that I put in a normal canister never seems to ever get close to lasting as long as they say they do. So I'm just putting in these. I really like them, and I'll show you how to do it. So over here I've drilled the holes where I'll be putting in the canisters, and the easiest way to drill these holes is by buying this circle drilling bit, which I think it was like 19 bucks. Totally worth it. Takes no time to drill these holes. This is 1/2-inch knotty pine, but you know, takes 30 seconds. And I have it on a 1/2-inch DEWALT drill, which also worked really well power-wise. This DEWALT model DW235G 1/2-inch drill has done the job really nicely. It's 8.5 amps, so I'd recommend that size to drill these holes. Creates just a big 6-inch wooden plug. Pulls out of the ceiling. Once you've got the holes drilled, you're going to want to run your wire. The lights come with the electrical connectors. Makes it super easy to connect up one or multiple lights. These two, and actually those four, and these two will all be run off the same 3-way light switches. So upon opening the box, you'll find the instructions. These are TORCHSTAR LED illumination solution. 6-inch LED directional downlights. I'll show you how to wire it. Show you the specs. Gives you the templates for the holes. Although if you buy that 6-inch circular drill bit, it's you won't need this. You just have to mark the place where you want the center of the hole to be and drill out the holes. There's 4 to a pack. These are suitable for damp locations. The connector is sealed, actually screws into this. Once you press them together, they tighten up, creating a waterproof seal. Here is the power box. Oh, I see there's a little nub there. So they make it really easy by including these wire junctions. So you'll pull out the tab, whichever one makes sense with your wiring. Run the wire through that, and then you can press up to 3 wires into each one of these things if you're wiring multiple lights. These can be mounted on a stud or on a surface in the ceiling space if you'd like. There's a tab on each side here to allow you to... These just push open, if you can't do it with your fingers, which I'm sure you can insert a screwdriver in there and take them off. We'll insert our wire through there.
So I've got two wires here. This one runs to the other light. This is the one that goes to the light switch. So you just match up the colors and press the wires into any of these holes will work. It just allows you to run more lights off of these connectors. So just press it on. And do the same for the white one. Once you've got your wires hooked up, you can just press all this stuff back into the box and close the top. I am going to be running, like I said earlier, a light over to that hole, so I'm gonna run the wire here, just like I did with the first one, into the box and then press them into each one of these connectors. So this is how it is going to look if you're running these in, if you're running more than one light together. You'll have, I'm running one other light, so you're going to have two connections, two wires, one to each light in each one of these. If for some reason you've hooked the wires up and you need to take them apart, all you need to do is twist like this and pull gently, and they come apart. Press that all back into the box. And then press all this back into the ceiling. Now you're ready to hook the actual light up to this wire. So the end of this is just a plug. You insert it into that side, and it's got these little knobs there, you can see, little lugs that you line up with those slots and then twist it so that they lock in place. Like that. Now we want to just press this into the ceiling space. So there's a spring-loaded tab on each side you're going to want to lift up. You're going to want them both up like that, and then get this wire up in there. And then if you want to adjust the lighting, this actually spins. You can so you can change the direction of the light and the angle by rotating this. So to pull one of these things out, you literally just grab it like this. The spring-loaded clips will make it kind of hard to do, but like that, and they come right out. Super easy. Alright, so now I've got them both attached. I mean, once you get used to doing this, these things can be attached in like a minute. Super fast. Let's see what it looks like. See if it works.
Voila.